In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Payhip store to your Instagram profile, making it easier than ever for your followers to explore and purchase your products. Let's dive right in and get started on this straightforward process. The first thing you'll want to do is find your Payhip store URL. To do this, log into your Payhip account using your preferred web browser. You will need your username and password, so have those handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu and select the Account option. From there, click on Settings. In this section, you're looking for the tab labeled Your Store, which will contain key details about your store configuration. Within this tab, there's a section showing your username. This is pivotal because your Payhip store URL is actually constructed using your username. So, your URL will look something like this: https://payhip.com, followed by your specific username. Be sure to make a note of this link because you're going to need it in the next steps. Now that we have your Payhip URL ready, let's move on to updating your Instagram bio. This is where you'll place your Payhip store URL to make it accessible to all your Instagram followers. Open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, or if you prefer, use the Instagram website on your computer. Either way, you'll need to be logged into your account. Once there, navigate to your profile page where you can see all your photos, bio, and other personal information. Look for the Edit Profile button, which is usually towards the top of the screen next to your avatar. Go ahead and tap on this button to enter the profile editing mode. Within the profile settings, you're going to spot a field labeled Website. This is where your Payhip store URL will go. Carefully paste your Payhip store link into this field, ensuring there are no extra spaces or errors. Double-check that the URL is correct, as this link will serve as the bridge between your Instagram followers and your Payhip store. Once you've pasted the link, make sure everything looks good to go. When you're satisfied, tap the Save button. Saving these changes will update your profile immediately, making your Payhip store just a click away for anyone visiting your Instagram page. And there you have it. Your Instagram profile now directly links to your Payhip store, paving the way for seamless interaction and an enhanced shopping experience for your audience. This simple addition can have a significant impact on your business by streamlining access for your customers. Remember, keeping your profile updated and your links accurate is crucial for smooth connectivity. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.